In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Microsoft Outlook email to your Dubsado account. Connecting your Microsoft Outlook account to Dubsado can help streamline your workflow by allowing you to manage your communication more efficiently. Once the connection is set up, you can integrate your Outlook account with Dubsado's features, making it easier to stay organized and keep your client communications in one place. The setup process only takes a few minutes, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step. To get started, sign into your Dubsado account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, look toward the upper corner of the screen and click on your account name. This opens your account menu, where you'll find various settings related to your Dubsado workspace. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage different integrations and account preferences. Once you're inside the Settings area, locate and click on Calendar. Even though you're connecting your Outlook account, this section is where the connection process begins. Inside the Calendar settings, you'll see the option to connect a calendar. Click the Connect button to continue. Dubsado will then display the available calendar providers that you can integrate with your account. From the list of available providers, choose Microsoft Outlook. After selecting Outlook, a new browser window or sign-in page will appear. You'll be asked to sign in with the Microsoft account that you want to connect to Dubsado. Once you've signed in, Microsoft will display a list of permissions that Dubsado requires in order to complete the connection. Take a moment to review these permissions, and if you're comfortable with them, approve the request to continue. After authorization is complete, you'll automatically be redirected back to Dubsado. Depending on your browser, it may take a few moments for the connection to finish. If the new connection doesn't appear immediately, simply refresh the page, and your Outlook account should now be connected. With the connection complete, Dubsado can now communicate with your Microsoft Outlook account, allowing your calendar and related scheduling features to work together more smoothly. This can make it much easier to manage appointments and stay organized as you work with clients. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected your Microsoft Outlook account to Dubsado. You can always return to the same settings page if you need to reconnect the account or make changes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.